Hey everyone, recently I needed to buy a new monitor for my setup to replace my older iMac that was working as a second monitor. I must say that this video is not a paid promotion, but my testimonial of buying and using this monitor for the last 2 weeks. I wanted to test it and work with it before doing this video so that I have a stronger opinion of its abilities. Today, the episode is not a Photoshop or art tutorial, but my recent experience with buying and using this monitor, and since I've noticed that there are not so much information about it yet, I considered that this will help other creatives on their questions. But before I start, I wanted to thank you for watching this video and for subscribing the channel, because whenever you do that, you are really supporting me and this channel to grow. So thank you very much. As I work as a designer and look for the best image quality, I decided to move on the new ASUS ProArt PA279CV, and I couldn't be happier with this purchase. It works perfectly with my MacBook Pro and has amazing image quality. Since I was using my older iMac as a second monitor, I was used to have a very good quality because the image is very sharp, so my fear was that the text would appear pixelated or out of focus and the images will be dull, but the sharpness of this monitor is absolutely incredible. The PA279CV is a 27-inch professional monitor with IPS technology, 4K UHD, 100% sRGB International Color Standard and 100 Rec 709, and Kalman verification with factory calibration for Delta E, color accuracy of less than 2, which is excellent. It's also very versatile and ergonomic and can be adjusted in high with various levels of horizontal and vertical tilt, and even the screen 90 degrees pivot orientation for use in a frame. It also has the integrated VESA wall mount system. In terms of connectivity, it comes with 4 USB 3.0 inputs, 1 USB-C port. There are also 2 HDMI v2.0 inputs, a DisplayPort v1.2 and an audio jack 3.5mm output. Inside the box we have the monitor color calibration report from ASUS testing, the guarantee book, the power cable and USB-C to USB-C cable, DPI to DPI cable, and also a very premium envelope that makes me as part of ASUS ProArt family. Yes! Now let's go and view it in real time. I don't know how my camera will record the screen, but I expect that it will capture the most quality as possible. I'm on the ASUS website and let's see how the typography looks, and this was a thing I was concerned when changing to another monitor, and as you can see it's very sharp, so it's a win.
Yes!
And now let's see the quality of images and different colors. I will try to zoom in and zoom out and go to different places on the screen so that you can see how it behaves. You will notice a little blurry white reflex on screen that comes from the lighting I have, and as you can see that doesn't do that reflex, that mirror reflex that avoid you to see the screen, which is also a good thing when you are working and need to see the part of the screen. In the on-screen menus, we can customize the screen through a set of parameters, including tint adjustments, color temperature and gamma adjustments via the ProArt palette. And also, a point that for me it's a game changer, it's the USB-C that does it all. It works as a USB hub that makes the peripherals that are connected to the ProArt's USB ports to be identified by the computer. In my case, as I use a MacBook with only USB-C ports, having this feature helps me to have fewer adapters and wires spread out just to connect a USB. Oh, and also worth mentioning that the USB-C also charges my MacBook, so the laptop charger is already plugged. It's amazing. So my personal opinion about this monitor is that I'm very happy with it. I really like to work on it, the size is perfect and the quality is amazing. It's not a cheap monitor, but it's also not the most expensive. So I think it's a very high quality monitor for designers, photographers and content creators that need good color accuracy and sharpness. So I think the price fits very well on this monitor. I hope this video helped you in your monitor comparisons. I hope you find it helpful, and if you did, please make sure you hit that thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet but you watch my videos, please consider to subscribe it. That will really help me grow this channel and create more amazing content for you guys. Now I will continue to watch my medieval speed art that you can see in another video. That way I will put it here so that you can find it helpful to help you on your designs. So thank you and see you in my next video. Have a nice day.